Hey guys, what's up? Berto Boyd here. Today I'm going to go over Rasgueados. Yes, 4 different types that I use on a regular basis. And I'm going to use the coda section of a zapateado written by the great guitarist Sabicas. So here we go. 7th position. 9th position now. Back to 7th position. Now shift to 2nd position. Okay, so in case you didn't catch those chords, here are the chord stamps for you. The first progression basically repeats itself up a whole step to E, and then we go back to G over B, and then we have that big shift down to the 2nd position, and then we end with the chords in open position. Okay, here we go. The first kind of rasgueado is with the index in the ring. Notice I'm tucking into the hand before I shoot the fingers out. Up, down, down, up. Now for the second kind, the abanico, up with the thumb, down with the ring, down with the index. Emphasis with the up of the thumb, down with the ring, down with the index, let the thumb follow through. Third kind of rasgueado. Notice that I'm really popping out as if I'm flicking something out of my hand. That's how you get the power. 3 downs and 1 up. For a rhythmical variation. Okay, now for the fourth kind. Now this involves the pinky, so we're going to strengthen the ring finger by working on the pinky first. Alright guys, hey, I think you know how that one ends. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment, let me know what else you'd like to see me lay down for you here. I hope you guys have a great day. Be safe out there. Go play guitar. See you next time.